today, Excavator Holic. Today we are dredging red soil in the tropics using our flagship excavator. This is our daily work. The fun of moving and piling up land is part of our daily life. Our excavator is indeed old, but the matter of power cannot be underestimated because it is capable of lifting twice its weight. Try to imagine if you were sitting in this excavator chair. You would feel a sensation, like playing or driving a transformer.